How you doing? My name's Mike Ulrich. I'm here today at MarineMax Venice. Today, I'm gonna give you a video walkthrough on the Sea Ray 280 SLX. This is one of the newest, refreshed, remodeled boats that Sea Ray's brought to you. We're lucky enough to have one right here inside at MarineMax Venice, and I'm gonna show you some of the cool features on the boat. Unlike the other videos, it gets cooler as you go, whether you start in the front or the back. Today, I'm gonna start in the front. This one's gonna come with a windlass package. On that, you can get it in stainless steel. It's great because it's going to give you additional storage inside of the boat, and it takes that anchor, puts it on the front. You're going to see throughout the boat diamond stitching that the SLX package is known for, but what you won't see is speakers. Why? Because they are now hidden and concealed in there. A little different, makes it look different than everything else. As I step into the cockpit, I'm going to have the standard center walk-through windshield. You're going to see this is a curved windshield now. It's not squared off like some of Sea Ray's previous models have. You got the stainless steel windshield cap on the front that really just ties all the accents together on this boat. On the helm here, you're gonna see this is a nice double wide helm seat, similar to what you've seen on the 310 SLX, the 350 SLX. They brought that down into the 28. It does spin all the way around. You can change the distance to and from the dash. Simple trigger pull, slide it back. Big drop down bolster seat. Double wide so you and your co-captain can sit side by side. Up on the dash, you're gonna have twin 12-inch SIMRADs. Everything's gonna be integrated into that. Your chart plotter, GPS, your zone controls on the boat, and controls to the power tower that I'll show you a little bit later. Before I get back there, you will see dual binnacles, and this one's gonna come standard with the joystick feature on the 28 SLX. Nice thing with Sea Ray is if it's got twin engines, you're gonna have that joystick on it, whether it's twin, triple engine, you've got options both ways. Over here, you do have a very nice day head with vacuum flush. You can get overboard discharge if you want it, but this boat's main thing is set up for entertainment. I showed you that seat spinning around. What I didn't show you is that hidden behind the seats back here, up in the gunnels, you actually have wireless charging pads, and I know you can't see it from the video. Maybe that just means you have to come see it in person. I'll point it out to you. But it's great for setting up a day on the water to entertain and enjoy yourself. So in the cockpit, you're gonna see how much room is back here. This one is the stone gray interior. In true Sea Ray fashion, you can get it in the ivory or the dune. Over here, you've got a nice little fridge. It is pretty deep. Great to put some nice beverages in there. Easy access while you're entertaining back here. But you've got a big designated spot underneath this for a cooler. See how easy it was for me to pop the seat open now. Gas assisted strut. Everything's nice finished underneath, full fiberglass. You know, Sea Ray just takes it a step further with their fit and finish and their design that I think is why they've been so popular. Over here on the other side, you have a massive storage locker, and that actually continues all the way into the transom that I'll show you when I get back there. Of course, you can have two tables on this boat, one large triangle one in the cockpit. You can get an additional one on the bow. Before I step to the back, take a look at this tower that I mentioned. So this is a full power tower. It's power actuated. You've got two access points. One right here, the simple buttons up or down, and then you've got another one that'll be integrated into the dash. But what it does is simply by pressing that button, it's gonna bring the tower down, but it's gonna maintain it level as it comes down. So that tower can come all the way to the windshield, and you can actually drive this boat with it all the way closed. So if it starts raining for the day, you're not gonna lose your day of boating. If you're somewhere like here in Southwest Florida, you might have to get underneath a bridge. You can drop that down, don't have to deal with moving a bimini or anything like that. Also, here in Florida, we've got a lot of indoor storage facilities. Sometimes you're charged by height rather than length. If you really need to get into a storage spot, being able to drop the profile of this, you know, gives you a little bit more options. You don't have to get something smaller if you don't want to. But as I get to the back of the boat, I'll show you just how big the sun pad is. So it keeps the lines of the L-shaped seating. You're gonna share the back to it here. But you have that nice stone pad in the back. You're gonna have an additional cooler access point. So I pointed out the one on the cockpit. This one's molded. It's built right in with its own drain right to your bilge, but it's a great spot if you're hanging out on the back of the boat at the sandbar. You want to access some drinks without having to get in the boat soaking wet. You can do it easily from there. But the last thing that I like to show is this massive storage area. So we found this is great for larger items, such as even a lily pad, wakeboards, skis, fishing poles if you want. Anything that you want's a great spot to be able to fit in there easily, and you're not losing storage inside of the boat. So if you're sitting down, you're enjoying yourselves, having a nice day on the lake, at the sandbar, anything like that, kids are out playing in the back, they can easily get stuff, come and go, and just everybody can have a great experience spending the day on the water. Who knows? If If you'd like to do it, come see me here. My name is Mike Ulrich. Boat's located at MarineMax Venice. Thanks for watching.